everyone, quick video here for solving this expensive issues, or usually it's expensive, but I have tried this before and it was successful, so I'm trying it again. And so basically I have a I think it says 4-way 3-position or 3-position 4-way for a Genie boom lift. This is the hydraulic solenoid valve, and as you can see, my previous rubber gaskets are all worn out and they're practically just useless, so that's why it failed. I got this Viton o-ring from Amazon, and they're made for high heat, and I have just replaced this one in the middle. I'm going to replace 2 more, and they're all different sizes. This one is slightly larger, slightly smaller, and then the smallest one. So I'm going to put them all in there. Make sure you put a little bit of oil around them when you're putting them in, and so that they get lubricated, and then just pop them in, and I'm gonna give it a try and see if that works. Alright, so I got them in there, all 3 of them, and they all look good. Maybe just slightly a little bit too big, but I'm not sure. Let's just try it out and see how it works.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.